Metropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Spoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a giant...
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, no! It's a monster in the sky!
Look home, Miss Dowski! And on my birthday! Why don't you care about me?
Yeah, it's like lemongrass, didn't it?
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. Be on the lookout for this child. All clear over here. I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Whoa, I'm going to get invisible.
Yeah.
We're almost there, kiddo. They'll never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Yeah.
So fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Gadaki!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We responded to a 2319 in progress. Reported to the scene where we immediately secured.
What do you think, Greg?
Awesome!
Yeah, you enjoyed that? You glad we waited for it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Mammy and Nej?
Observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 999.
wants you humans decontaminated.
We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319.
Mike Wazowski.
Ross.
We spread out and locked it down.
Everything under control now, so leave it alone. Didn't see anything